scene. Do pests seem to have a never-ending feast in your garden? Are you weary of resorting to harmful chemicals to control them? There's a better way. Welcome to the world of eco-friendly pest control methods, your ticket to a vibrant, pest-free garden without the environmental toll. It's time to bid farewell to toxic pesticides and embrace natural solutions that nourish your garden while keeping those pesky pests at bay. First on the list is companion planting, an age-old gardening technique that uses the power of plants to keep pests away. By pairing certain plants together, you can deter pests naturally. For example, planting marigolds near your tomatoes can help ward off harmful nematodes, while basil planted near peppers can repel thrips. The secret is in the scent. Many pests dislike the strong aromas of these companion plants and will steer clear of your garden. Next up, consider introducing beneficial insects into your garden. Ladybugs, lacewings, and spiders are nature's pest controllers. They eat aphids, mites, and other harmful insects, keeping your garden's ecosystem in balance. You can attract these helpful creatures by planting a variety of plants and providing a habitat where they can thrive. Thirdly, consider using homemade insecticidal soaps and oils. These are non-toxic solutions that can be easily made at home. A mixture of pure soap and water can be sprayed on plants to control aphids, mites, and other soft-bodied insects. Similarly, neem oil, a natural product derived from the neem tree, is effective against a wide range of pests. Remember to apply these solutions in the early morning or late evening to prevent sunburn on your plants. Lastly, consider a technique known as crop rotation. This involves changing the location of your plants each season. Pests are often specific to certain plants, and by changing the location of these plants, you can disrupt the life cycle of pests and prevent them from returning. To summarize, protecting your garden from pests doesn't have to involve harmful chemicals. With methods like companion planting, introducing beneficial insects, using homemade insecticidal soaps and oils, and practicing crop rotation, you can maintain a healthy, thriving garden that's in harmony with nature. Remember, every time you spot a pest in your garden, there's an eco-friendly solution waiting for you. Protect your garden and the planet by choosing these eco-friendly pest control methods. That wraps up this video. For more eco-friendly tips and tricks, remember to hit that subscribe button. Here's to greener, more vibrant gardens.